How do I reset my Shark vacuum? Easy 4 steps. Welcome to Vacuumizer. If you are a new Shark vacuum user, you may be wondering how to reset your Shark vacuum if something goes wrong. Actually, it is a very simple task. In this post, I will share it. So, keep watching. Now I'm presenting to you Shark Vacuum Reset General Instructions step by step. Step number 1. Reset the brush roll. Step number 2. Reset the filters. Step number 3. Reset the power head. Step number 4. Reset the Shark Navigator lift-away vacuums. Step number 5. That's it, you're all done. Thanks for watching Vacuumizer. Don't forget to subscribe.